Hi guys, how's it going? It's Lei. In this video, I'm gonna talk about what to call people in Japanese. The literal translation of you is anata, right? Anata is used to refer to a person or an unspecified person in books, lyrics, anime, websites, and things like that. Some of you may have seen kimi used as well. But anata and kimi are not often used in daily conversation. So what to call people in Japanese? Let's get started. First, how to ask someone's name. If you want to say, could I ask your name? You can omit the part your and say, お名前聞いてもいいですか? Could I ask your name? お名前聞いてもいいですか? Don't say あなたのお名前。お名前聞いてもいいですか? You can also say お名前なんて言うんですか? 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 Or you can just say お名前は In a casual situation, you can say 名前聞いてもいい? Can I ask your name? 名前聞いてもいい? 名前聞いてもいい? You can also say 名前なんて言うの? 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 When you call your friend's name, put ちゃん or くん after the name. ちゃん is used for girls. くん is used for boys. But sometimes ちゃん is also used for boys. Girl's name plus ちゃん。はるかちゃん。はるかちゃん。Boy's name plus くん。けんとくん。けんとくん。Or boy's name plus ちゃん。けんちゃん。けんちゃん。But if it's a close friend, you can call them without adding ちゃん or くん。When you want to ask someone what you should call them, you can say なんて呼べばいい? なんて呼んだらいい? What should I call you? なんて呼べばいい? なんて呼んだらいい? なんて呼べばいい? なんて呼んだらいい? Politely, you can say なんて呼べばいいですか? なんて呼んだらいいですか? なんて呼べばいいですか? なんて呼んだらいいですか? なんて呼べばいいですか? なんて呼んだらいいですか? If your friend says 呼び捨てでいいよ、呼び捨てでいいよ, it means you don't need to add ちゃん or くん。The literal translation of 呼び捨て is 呼ぶ call, 捨てる throw away. But 呼び捨て means to call someone's name without an honorific title. We sometimes abbreviate names with more than 3 letters. For example, if someone's name is Aina, you can call her Ai or Ai-chan. If someone's name is Shohei, you can call him Sho or Shou-kun. Some of you may know the word omae, but it's very casual and sound rude depending on the person you use it for. In general, men use omae to their close friends, but even people who don't usually use it might use it when they're angry. When calling someone's name politely, like someone who is not your friend or other people or people at work, add san after their last name. San is used regardless of gender or age. Last name plus san. For example, Sato-san, Sato-san. If it's an older person you are close to, you can call them by their first name with san. First name plus san. For example, Mari-san, Mari-san. If it's a staff of the store or restaurant, you can call them Tein-san, Tein-san, Tein-san. Tein means staff, but don't just call them Tein. It sounds rude, so don't forget to add san. Here's the example sentence. この方はいつも担当してくれる店員さんです。This is the staff who is in charge of me. この方はいつも担当してくれる店員さんです。この方はいつも担当してくれる店員さんです。When I can't decide which one to buy and I want to get the staff's advice, I might say, 店員さんだったらどっちを買いますか? If it were you, which one would you buy? 店員さんだったらどっちを買いますか? 店員さんだったらどっちを買いますか? If it's a doctor or a teacher, you can call them sensei or last name plus sensei. 先生、先生、先生、もう一度教えてもらえますか? Could you teach me again? 先生、もう一度教えてもらえますか? 先生、もう一度教えてもらえますか? Last name plus 先生。For example, 田中先生、田中先生、田中先生はいらっしゃいますか? May I speak to Mr. Tanaka? 田中先生はいらっしゃいますか? 田中先生はいらっしゃいますか? In business situations, you can call superiors by their last name plus job title, or just job title. Last name plus job title. For example, 山田部長、山田部長、山田部長、昨日はありがとうございました。Mr. Yamada, thank you for yesterday. 山田部長、昨日はありがとうございました。山田部長、昨日はありがとうございました。社長、社長、石田様からお電話です。You have a call from Mr. Ishida. 社長、石田様からお電話です。社長、石田様からお電話です。I used honorific title, sama, in the previous example, which is used when calling the name of a business partner or customer. Sama is the more polite way to say sam, and also used regardless of gender or age. Last name plus sama. For example, 鈴木様、鈴木様、鈴木様でいらっしゃいますか? Are you Mr. Suzuki? 鈴木様でいらっしゃいますか? 鈴木様でいらっしゃいますか? If you work in a store or restaurant, you can call the customer お客様、お客様。客 means customer. お is an honorific prefix. お客様お待たせいたしました。Thank you for waiting. お客様お待たせいたしました。お客様お待たせいたしました。Sama is also used when writing a name on an envelope or postcard, like this. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this helps you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!